guys, here we are again. Yeah, cooking on the induction cooker. I've got it set on 800 watts at the moment. And we're frying chicken thighs. Extremely windy here at the moment, as you can probably see. Blowing an absolute gale. And that's the beauty of the induction cooker over gas, is doesn't matter how windy it is, cooks beautifully. So again, we're running off a 170 amp hour Renogy lithium battery. Only got a 1000 watt inverter. It's a Renogy inverter. We're currently pulling 1000 watts and 81 amps. So I've been running for a few minutes, and my 170 amp hour battery is down to 165 amp hour. So we'll see how long it takes. The battery is fully charged, so I'll see how long it takes to cook this chicken. At 140 degrees, 800 watts. I'll punch her up to 1000 watts, 160 degrees. And we're pulling 1.1 kilowatts is coming out of the 1000 watt inverter at 86.2 amps. Inverter's not hot at all. None of my wires are getting hot. Battery's all good. Oh boy, is it windy. The beauty with induction cooking is it's instant heat. Doesn't take time to warm up. So these are almost done. We're down to 160 amp hours. So I've used 10 amp hours so far. The inverter's getting warm, but it's not hot. All my wires are good. Battery's not a problem. So, 1000 watt inverter, punching above its weight, 1.1 kilowatts, 85, 86 amps an hour, coming out, induction cooking. For people who say it's not worth it, these are nearly done. I've only used 10 amps out of my battery. Just like an hour on the solar panels. So there we go, really windy day. Cooking on the induction cooker, we're just about done now. These are nicely cooked. Barbecue chicken thighs, we're going to have them on wraps. It's taken about 10 minutes or so. We've used 19 amp hours, so I'm down to 150 amp hour from 170 amp hour battery. So 1000 watt inverter, still only warm, not getting hot. Renogy inverter, pumping above its weight, 1.1 kilowatts. So it's 1100 watts coming out of a 1000 watt inverter. Really can't complain about that. This Renogy stuff is pretty good gear. On the induction cooker, for those that want to know, I bought this induction cooker off eBay. I got it on special for $49. They were $69. I think they're now $70 something on eBay. Soga induction cooker, really good. They work well. So that's us, we're done. Turn that off. Cooked chicken thighs, I use 20 amp hours. So stick the solar panels out in the morning. I've got two 200 amp hour solar panels. I'll put that 20 amps back in an hour in the morning. So lithium batteries, brilliant. Induction cooking when it's windy, when you've got a fire ban and you can't really cook on gas because the wind blows it out. Induction cookers, bloody great. I don't want to use it all the time, but on windy days like today, fantastic. Quick stopover of a night, just pull it out, don't have to worry about gas. Great stuff.